rows of lights light up, Wholesale starts her busy day in Shelving's store. It's 9 a.m. She starts to clean every corner, tidy up shelf samples. Every place the fingertips touch is delicate craftsmanship and sincere effort. Every welding point, every polished corner is made with a true heart, preparing warmly to welcome every customer. Here are the customers come. They pick and check. It takes several days for them to find such shelves can perfectly meet their needs. Finally, they sign the contract. At the same time, rows of lights in the workshop light up one by one, brightening the entire factory. Skilled workers are speeding up production progress. Cutting, bending, welding, powder coating, painting and installation. From a piece of wood to a delicate shelf with high efficiency. Pour craftsmanship into every step and use professionalism to create efficient and practical shelving solutions. Finish the shelf are wrapped neatly, labeled, and placed in an orderly manner. Loading, shipped to the client's country. From a young girl to a leader with fine wrinkles, Wholesale has been adhering to this cause with all her heart for 30 years. 30 years of brand reputation, craftsmanship, and professional service every year, every day, for sincerity into every detail. Warm shelves, professional service, and a 30-year commitment. Shelving shelf with craftsmanship connects warmth across borders.
Hello, welcome.